Number 2. I use one. Described above, the past continuous is interrupted by a shorter action in the simple past. However, you can also use a specific time as an interruption. Examples: last night at 6 p.m. I was eating dinner. At midnight, we're still driving through the desert. Yesterday, and this time, I was sitting at my desk at work. Important. In a simple past, a specific time is used to show when an action began or finished. In the past continuous, and a specific time only interrupt the action. Examples: last night at 6 p.m. I ate dinner. I started eating at 6 p.m. Last night at 6 p.m. I was eating dinner. I started early. At 6 p.m. I was in the process of eating dinner. Number 3. When you use the past continuous with two actions in the same sentences, it expresses the idea that both actions were happening at the same time. The actions are parallel. Examples: I was studying while he was making dinner. While Ellen was reading, Timmy was watching television. Were you listening while he was talking? I wasn't paying attention while I was writing the letter, so I made several mistakes. What were you doing while you were waiting? Thomas wasn't working. I wasn't working either. They were eating dinner, discussing their plans, and having a good time. Number 4. In English, we often use a series of parallel actions to describe the atmosphere, a particular time in the past. Examples: when I walked into the office, several people were busily typing. Some were talking in the phones. The boss were yelling direction, and customers were waiting to the helped. One customer was yelling at the secretary and having his hands. Other went complaining to the each other about the bad service. Number 5. The past continues with words such as always or constantly, expressing the idea that something irritating or snarking often happened in the past. The concept is very similar to the expression used to, but with negative emotion. Remember to the past word always or constantly between be and be plus ing. Examples: she was always coming to class late. He was constantly talking. He annoyed everyone. I didn't like it because they were always complaining. Activities. Number 1. May you 10 examples using was where plus ing, and there's 3 ways: affirmative, interrogative, negative, and Spanish. And number 2. May you 10 examples using where verb plus ing, and there's 3 ways: affirmative, interrogative, negative, and Spanish. So students, don't forget to study the list of verbs. See you.